global workstation. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, with a length of 47.25 inches. Depth, 31.5 inches. And then height, so we have 54.5 inches tall. 54.5 inches tall, placed from the bottom towards the top disc. Minus the shelves, we have 30.5 inches tall. With measurements for each shelf will include 17.5 inches for the bottom left and right shelf, 10 inches for the top left and right shelf, and middle, measuring 14.25 inches. And the depth of each shelf will include 12 inches. Measurements for the top shelf only will be 24 inches to the highest point, 12 inches towards the top center. Coming to the center compartment will be a side door, and right beneath is a sink. The measurements for the sink will include 8 inches in length, 13 inches in depth, 7 inches in height. Coming to the left side will be 2 additional swivel head faucets and a pan that can be removed and positioned left or right. Right beneath is a sink along with the drain basket. Measurement for the bottom sink will include 13.5 inches in length, 13.5 inches in depth, 7 inches in height. Measurements for the waste tray will include 5.75 inches in depth by 14.25 inches in depth. Coming to the back will be 2 additional hoses for connection. Coming to the left side will be the power, along with the temperature adjustment. And coming to the bottom will be a flip door. And right beneath the sink will be a hose. Right beneath the sink will be interior or storage. Interior dimensions measuring 26 inches in length, 24.75 inches in depth, 22 inches in height. Coming to the right side will be an adjustable shelf. Shelf will measure 12.5 inches in length, by 23 inches in depth. Coming right beneath the sink will be a valve to release excess water and melted ice, along with the 110 voltage.
For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.